Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you a free data science course. Open the link in the description as shown in the video. Now click on start the free course. Sign in with your credentials. If you don't have account, please do create an account using your Facebook or Google Plus or GitHub or IBM or LinkedIn account. Enter your email and password and click on remember me and then sign in. After that, a page will be directed to you like this, which shows introduction to data science, where you can see the course structure. Now click on progress. Now go to the module 1 and click on graded review questions. As you can see the graded review questions. Now scroll down slowly. For the first question, the answer is the first option. And for the second question, the answer is first option. And for the third question, the answer is the third option. Click on submit for each and every question and answer. Now again go to the progress tab and click on it. Now click on progress. And go to module 2, where you will find another graded preview questions. Click on it. So here is the questions. For the first question, the answer is the first option and submit. For the second question, the answer is second option. For the third question, the answer is second option. Now click on progress. And go to module 3 and click on graded review questions once again. For the first question, the answer is the third option. For the second question, the answer is the first option. For the third question also, the answer is fourth option. Now go to progress, click on it, and go to module 4 and click on graded review questions once again. For the first question, the answer is the first option. For the second question, the answer is the first option. For the third question, the answer is second option. Now click on progress. And go to the fifth module. Click on graded review questions in the fifth module. For the first question, the answer is the fourth option. For the second question, the answer is the fourth option. And for the third question, the answer is the third option. Now go back to the progress, click on progress, and give your final exam. Scroll down below where you will find the final exam, which consists of 10 questions. Click on final exam. Click on I am ready to start this timed exam. For the first question, the answer is the third option. For the second question, the answer is the second option. For the third question, the answer is the fourth option. For the fourth question, the answer is also fourth option. For the fifth question, the answer is the first option. For sixth question, the answer is the first option. For seventh question, the answer is the last option. For eighth question, the answer is the third option. For the ninth question, the answer is the fourth option. For 10th question, the answer is the third option. Check that whether you have submitted every answer. After that, click on End My Exam as shown in the video. After clicking on End My Exam, once again click on Yes, Submit My Timed Exam. Your exam has been submitted. Now click on Progress. And now you can see that there is a request certificate. Click on Request Certificate. Now click on View Certificate. As you can see the certificate, how beautiful it is, and with a QR code. To claim a badge for this course, you have to just scroll down in the progress session where you will find completion certificate and badge. Click on it. There you can see get your badge. Now click on claim badge. The badge will be sent to your email ID which you are given. Check your email. I'm just simply doing refresh so that I can get my email. This course is very important for the one who want to pursue their career in the data science as data scientist. Open the email as shown. As you can see, congratulations, you have earned a digital credential from IBM. You can see. Now click on View Details. If you don't have an account in Uclaim, you can create an account. You can see the certificate. You can see the certificate and badge. Data Science Foundations. If you want to check whether the badge is original or not, click on Verify, and there you can see the verification has been done and accepted. Here you can see many badges in my profile which are provided by the IBM and Coursera. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.